Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to set up top viewers leaderboard on TikTok live. It's actually very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so we're going to see how we can do this on TikTok Live Studio. So if you want to do this on TikTok Live Studio, the first thing you have to do is, of course, open TikTok Live Studio on your desktop and log in to your TikTok account. After doing that, the next thing you want to do is to click on this add source button right here. So once you do that, you have to add a source like TikTok live stream. Alright, so for example, I'll click on this camera source, though there are other sources I can add like window capture, etc., depending on the type of live stream I want to have. Right, so I'll click on this camera capture and then I'll click on add. After that, after adding this to my live stream, you see I will have it right here. So after adding a camera or any other type of source to your TikTok live, the next thing you want to do is to now add the viewer leaderboard. So you can still come over here, click on this plus sign. All right, so once you click on the plus sign, you're going to get the option to add the viewer leaderboard. So you just have to come over here, you see this viewer ranking, select it and click on add. All right, so once you click on that, you can see here you can select the layout of the leaderboard. Here you can choose to show only one person, which is the top viewer on your live stream, or you can have a list of the top 3. All right, and here you can choose the size. It could be large or small or just a default size, and that's it. So once you're done with all these, just for me, I want to select show only one, and then I'll come over here, click on add. All right, so once you add that, it will be added to your live stream. All right, so all you have to do next is to just go ahead and go live on TikTok. As you can see, it's shown right here. So once I go live on TikTok by hitting this go live button, I'll be live, and my top viewer is going to appear somewhere around here. So I can actually drag these and drop these at any part of my screen. Alright, so that's it guys, and how you can actually set up top viewer leaderboard on TikTok Live Studio. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.